Deer nature's masters of disguise. Did you know a deer can jump a 10-foot fence? These animals are amazing athletes. They can also disappear into thin air, blending perfectly with their surroundings. This is their superpower camouflage. This camouflage is essential for survival. Predators like wolves and mountain lions are always on the lookout. By blending in, deer can stay safe and raise their young. It's a true testament to the power of nature's design. Deer are found all over the world, from scorching deserts to frozen tundras, but they prefer forests, meadows, and places near water. These habitats provide food, shelter, and a safe place to raise their young. Forests offer plenty of leaves, twigs, and plants to eat. Meadows provide tasty grasses. Water is essential for drinking and cooling off. No matter where they live, deer are well adapted to their surroundings. Deer may seem quiet, but they have their own way of talking. They use a combination of sounds, scents, and body language to communicate with each other. This helps them stay safe and maintain social order within the herd. A snort can warn of danger. A stomp of the hoof can signal annoyance. And when really scared, their tails go up like flags, warning others to flee. It's fascinating to watch them interact. Deer are incredibly athletic animals. Their long, slender legs are built for speed and agility, allowing them to outrun predators with ease. They can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Their hooves are like natural running shoes, providing traction and grip on uneven terrain. They're also strong swimmers. Whether escaping danger or simply moving through their territory, deer move with a grace and agility that is truly remarkable. One of the most striking features of male deer is their antlers. These bony structures are not just for show, they serve a vital role in competition for mates and defense against predators. Every year, male deer grow and shed their antlers. The size and complexity of the antlers are a sign of age, health, and strength. Imagine the energy it takes to regrow these massive structures. Deer have incredibly keen senses, which are essential for their survival in the wild. These senses are finely tuned to help them navigate their environment, avoid predators, and find food. Among these senses, their hearing stands out as particularly remarkable. Their hearing is particularly acute, allowing them to detect the slightest rustle of leaves or snap of a twig, signaling potential danger. This acute sense of hearing is facilitated by their large, mobile ears, which can rotate independently to pinpoint the exact location of a sound. This ability to detect and localize sounds is crucial for their survival, as it helps them stay alert to the presence of predators such as wolves, coyotes, and even humans. Their sense of smell is equally impressive, helping them locate food and identify other deer from a distance. The deer's nose is highly sensitive, capable of detecting a wide range of scents. This olfactory prowess allows them to find food sources such as fresh vegetation, even when it is hidden under a layer of snow. Additionally, their sense of smell plays a vital role in social interactions, enabling them to recognize the scent marks left by other deer, which can convey information about territory, reproductive status, and individual identity. They can even rotate their eyes almost 360 degrees, giving them an almost panoramic view of their surroundings. This wide field of vision allows them to detect movement from nearly any direction, making it difficult for predators to approach unnoticed. Combined with their acute hearing and sensitive sense of smell, this visual capability makes deer highly adept at avoiding danger. In essence, the deer's super senses work together seamlessly to create a highly effective early warning system, ensuring their survival in the wild. Springtime brings new life to the forest, a time when the air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers and the vibrant green of fresh leaves. The forest awakens from its winter slumber and the cycle of life begins anew. For deer, this is the season for fawns. The meadows and forests become nurseries, teeming with the playful energy of these young creatures. It's a time of joy and new beginnings. These adorable spotted babies are born after a gestation period of about 7 months. Each fawn is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature, their spots providing camouflage against the forest floor. The mother deer carefully hides her fawn in tall grass or under bushes, ensuring it remains unseen by predators. This instinctive behavior is crucial for the fawn's survival during its first vulnerable weeks. Keeping it safe from predators, the mother deer stands guard, always alert to any signs of danger. Her vigilance is a constant shield for her young one. The fawn grows rapidly, nourished by its mother's milk. This rich source of nutrients helps the fawn develop the strength and agility it will need to navigate the forest. Within a few months, it's strong enough to join the herd. The young deer learns the ways of the forest, guided by the older members of the group. It learns to forage, to recognize danger, and to understand the rhythms of the wild. The circle of deer life is a beautiful and intricate dance, a testament to the wonders of nature. Each generation learns from the one before, ensuring the survival and continuity of the species. As the sun sets over the forest, the deer settle into the safety of the herd, ready to face another day. The cycle continues, a never-ending story of life, growth, and survival in the wild. Deer are herbivores, which means they eat plants. But their diet is surprisingly diverse, consisting of leaves, twigs, buds, fruits, nuts, and even mushrooms. They play an important role in the ecosystem by helping to control plant growth and disperse seeds. They're like the gardeners of the forest, keeping things in balance. Deer share their habitat with a variety of other animals, some friendly and some not so much. Squirrels, rabbits, and birds are often seen foraging alongside deer, but predators like wolves, mountain lions, and bears pose a constant threat. This delicate balance of predator and prey is what keeps the ecosystem healthy and thriving. Humans and deer have a complex relationship. We admire their beauty and grace, but we also compete for resources. It's important to remember that deer are wild animals and should be treated with respect. When driving in areas where deer are present, be especially cautious at dawn and dusk when deer are most active. And remember, never approach a deer too closely, as it may feel threatened. In this chapter, we delve into the importance of understanding and valuing the natural world, with a special focus on deer. These magnificent creatures are more than just a beautiful sight. They are an integral part of our ecosystem. Deer are a vital part of our natural heritage. They have roamed our forests, meadows, and fields for centuries, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Their presence is a testament to the health of our environment. Their ability to thrive in a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open meadows and even in snowy landscapes, showcases their remarkable adaptability. Each habitat presents its own challenges, and deer have evolved unique adaptations to survive and flourish in these diverse environments. Their unique adaptations, such as their keen senses and agile movements, allow them to navigate their surroundings with ease. Deer play an important role in the ecosystem, serving as prey for predators and helping to control vegetation growth. Observing deer interacting with other wildlife, feeding on leaves, or drinking from a stream offers us a glimpse into the intricate web of life in the wild. By appreciating the wonders of nature and treating all creatures with respect, we foster a deeper connection with the world around us. Watching deer from a distance, whether while hiking or simply enjoying a quiet moment in nature, reminds us of the beauty and serenity that the natural world offers. We can ensure that deer continue to grace our forests and meadows for generations to come by practicing responsible wildlife observation and conservation. This means respecting their space, not disturbing their natural behaviors, and supporting efforts to preserve their habitats. Remember, the wild is their home. Deer have an incredible ability to blend into their natural environment, whether in a dense forest or a peaceful meadow. Their cautious exploration of their surroundings is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature. And we are just visitors. As visitors, it is our responsibility to minimize our impact and leave no trace. By doing so, we honor the wild and ensure that future generations can experience the same awe and wonder that we do today. Let us respect the wild, respect the deer, and cherish the natural world that we are privileged to be a part of.